What's up, mechanical engineers? This video will explore the best CAD software for mechanical engineers. At the end of this video, we will also share the best CAD software available for mechanical engineers for free. This is the first video of Target 24's Phase 2, Practice Computer-Aided Design. Hello and welcome to Royal Mechanical. Let's welcome Mr. Prasanna, the Head of Engineering and CEO at Maxpertise Technology Labs. Hello sir, welcome to Royal Mechanical. Please tell us about the best CAD software for mechanical engineers. Our viewers are also interested in any free CAD software they can use to design.
Hi Diwa. A big hi to all viewers of Royal Mechanical. I will tell you about the best CAD software for mechanical engineers and also about free CAD software. To start with, we have AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk. Known for its versatility, AutoCAD offers a comprehensive set of 2D drafting and 3D modeling tools. It is widely used in various industries, including mechanical design. Its intuitive interface and extensive components library make it a designer's go-to choice. Then we have Autodesk Inventor, another powerful CAD software from Autodesk. Inventor is specifically designed for mechanical design and engineering. It offers advanced tools for 3D parametric modeling, assembly design, simulation, and rendering. Inventor streamlines the entire design process with its integrated workflow and collaboration capabilities. Then we have CATIA, developed by Dassault Systems, a leading CAD software extensively used in the aerospace and automotive industries. It excels in complex surface modeling, advanced assembly design, and engineering analysis. CATIA's capabilities make it preferred for designers working on intricate and large-scale mechanical projects. Then we have SolidWorks, a widely recognized CAD software for mechanical design. It offers a user-friendly interface, powerful 3D modeling capabilities, and a wide range of simulation, analysis, and documentation tools. SolidWorks is known for its robustness and is extensively used in product design related to automotive and aerospace industries. Then we have DraftSight, developed by Dassault Systems, a 2D CAD software offering a cost-effective mechanical design solution. It provides familiar drafting tools and a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for small businesses and individuals working primarily with 2D designs. Then we have PTC Creo, formerly Pro Engineer, a versatile CAD software with a strong focus on parametric modeling. Creo offers a wide range of 3D design, simulation, analysis, and manufacturing tools. It is used in automotive, aerospace, and consumer products. Then we have NX-CAD, developed by Siemens, a comprehensive CAD software widely used in mechanical design and manufacturing. It offers advanced features for multidisciplinary design, including 3D modeling, simulation, and manufacturing preparation. NX-CAD's robust capabilities make it a preferred choice for complex mechanical projects. Then we have Solid Edge, developed by Siemens, which is a powerful CAD software known for its ease of use and comprehensive set of tools for mechanical design. It provides parametric modeling, assembly design, simulation, and rendering features. Solid Edge's user-friendly interface makes it popular for designers of all skill levels. Then we have Fusion 360, developed by Autodesk, a cloud-based CAD software that has recently gained popularity. It combines 3D modeling, simulation, and collaboration tools in a single platform. Fusion 360's cloud-based nature allows for easy accessibility, seamless collaboration, and real-time design iterations. Fusion 360 software is available for free for students and hobbyists. This video's description provides the link to download the free version of Fusion 360.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for telling us about the best CAD software for mechanical engineers and sharing the details of free CAD software. In our next video, we will start to design with Fusion 360. So, go ahead, download, and install Fusion 360 on your computers and laptops. Get ready to design with Fusion 360. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks.
Target 24 is a skill development training for mechanical engineers to become mechanical design engineers. Target 24 videos are available for free on YouTube. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to Royal Mechanical. This is a Phase 2 video to practice computer-aided design.